Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have Conrite Saloon with me, another pen from Kanpur Writers. So before we begin, a humble request to all my viewers to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Okay, so to begin with, this is a Conrite Saloon, another very popular pen from Conrite. So I'll cover the parts of the pen, my likes, dislikes, and then we'll have a small writing sample. Okay, so this pen is a pocket-sized pen, a small pen. It is not a very big pen. Ergonomically, this pen is very good, right? So this pen is usually entirely made of plastic. The body is entirely made of plastic, but the cap is fully made of metal. So the clip is also very functional, and there is a plastic finial also on this cap. So this pen is quite light. It does not have any weight to itself if we exclude the cap. So the cap has quite a lot of weight, and it adds to the weight to this pen. So with this cap, this pen becomes quite heavy and useful. So it's very good or advised to always post this pen while writing. So this pen has a very unique shape. It's kind of a cigar shaped pen. This is very good. I like it. And then it has a very nice ink window. That's a really very good feature. And as usual, like other Conrite pens, this is a cartridge converter pen, and it takes the proprietary Conrite cartridges. You cannot fit any standard international cartridge into this pen. That's a little bit of downside of this pen, but anyways, it's okay. So for me, this pen is a little bit thinner. I usually write with a pen that has a little girth around its grip section, but this is a little bit thin for me. And this pen takes 5.5 nib, and you can have any kind of nib in 5.5, medium, bold, or fine. And this is a flex nib on this, and it has got an ebonite feed. So due to this ebonite feed, the flow of this pen is very good. Okay, so the other downside of this pen is that this being made of entirely plastic, this pen catches scratches very easily. You can see here some scratches are already there from just from closing the cap and opening the cap. You can get some scratches, and if you post it, you might get scratches on the rear end of the pen as well. But that's okay. If you don't want to post it, then probably you can avoid the scratches on the rear end of the pen. And this pen comes in other colors also. Black, I have green, and probably blue also. Okay, so let's do a small writing sample. Okay, so pen is Conrite Saloon. So this is a very wet pen. You can see this is my Odia pen, but the ink is Brill actually. So being very thin and thin ink, the flow in this pen is very good, and that's why it is feathering a lot on this paper. This is the ink, Brill green. So let's write something. So I am not very good at flexing the nib, but so the flow of the pen is very good. You will hear some feedback from the nib, but it is okay. It's not scratchy. and it is quite wet pen. Yeah, it's just the ink that is very thin. So this nib is a flex nib, and it flexes and the pen keeps up. You can see this pen can flex quite a lot. You can flex with this pen and it does not railroads. Sometimes it does though, but otherwise this is a very nice pen to have. You can change the nib. You can change the nib to any fine nib or 5.5 medium broad nib, and this is a very good daily pen to daily pen to have. So the cost of this pen is around 650 rupees, and this pen is probably available on I think on the penhouse.in and on Snapdeal and Amazon also. Some of these pens are available. You can buy them from there, and always you can buy these pens from the original manufacturer, Kanwrite, as well, kanpurwriters.com. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching the video. Please do like the video, share the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.